Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I decided to record another shopping vlog. Today I'm going to Rolex and I'm going to Louis Vuitton store, and I wanted to take you with me. I received so many inquiries about the sizes of my watch, and I wanted to show you other watches that I currently like. By the way, this watch is in a size 36 and my watch is in a size 31. I received so many questions about my size. I like both sizes, but I think for my wrist, size 31 is a lot better. Sales associate told me that even if I resize it, it will be still rolling around. It will be tilting towards one side, so it doesn't make any sense. I think I should just stick with my size. By the way, this watch is exactly like mine, but in a size 36. And I also tried on this watch with this gold dial, which is quite nice, but I think I prefer the white one. I think it's more my style. And I also tried on this model in a size 34. By the way, they just doesn't have this size, unfortunately, but I really like it. The only reason why I haven't purchased this design is because I was told that it's prone to scratches, while this particular design is a bit more resistant. I had my watch since 2016 and I don't have many scratches on it. It looks brand new. It's really good, and that's why I like this particular design and I highly recommend it. And I do tend to bump into various things, accidentally hit the doors or walls. It just happens, and my watch looks brand new. You cannot even see any scratches on it. I also wanted to show you the size 28, which I think is a little bit too small on me. I don't like this size on me particularly, but they're pretty. I like this dial, the mother of pearl dial with diamonds. It's very pretty, but I think it's not my style. And I think now I will go to LV store and will show you the items that I really like. These earrings are so cute. I really like them, but unfortunately they are not made of gold, and I cannot wear earrings for a long time that aren't made of yellow or white or rose gold. I'm very sensitive to any types of metals but the gold, and platinum too, which is a shame, but they're so gorgeous. I wish I could just wear them. I really like the accessories. They are so beautiful. Do you like LV accessories? By the way, I discovered this super cute bracelet which is made of gold completely, and it's so light, and I really like the way it looks with my Cartier Love bracelet. It's so beautiful. I really like it, and I like the fact that it's actually a lot more affordable than Cartier, and I like it in the yellow gold, and it has a diamond. By the way, both of them have a diamond. Do you like yellow gold or a white gold? I like to mix different metals, white gold and yellow gold or rose gold. I just like the look. When I wear too much yellow, I just don't feel like it suits me. I don't like the way it looks. And when I wear too much white gold, it also doesn't look that great. Do you like to mix metals? By the way, do you guys like this pattern? I haven't seen it before in real life. I only saw it on Instagram. It looks quite interesting. I'm not a really big fan of LV bags. I have some, but this particular colors combination is really cute. I like it. Here are some more beautiful accessories. I really like these fine jewelry items. I think these earrings are pretty cute. And also I like shoes. I like these boots, but of course I have nowhere to wear them. Where can I wear them in Singapore? They are so beautiful. I like these brown ones. They are really cute. They're so my style. and they would look great with dresses, but then again, I have nowhere to wear them. And I like the block heels, they are so comfortable. I also like these boots, they're pretty cute. I like the heel. Do you like the shape? It's really cute. And also these ones. They're so my style, but yeah, nowhere to wear them. And I also like this beautiful dress. I would not wear it with the shirt like that. I think it looks a little bit too much. I would probably find a shirt in a different color, but I'll try it on and will show you how it looks on me. It's a really cute dress. I like quite a few items from LV actually. I like this top, but it's in a size 38, which is a bit too big, but let's see how it's gonna look on me. I also took this dress. I usually don't go for such design, but let's see. And also this black dress that I showed you earlier. I will try it without the shirt. And I also took this sweater, which is so cute. I hope that it will fit me. It's so gorgeous. I really like this detail. It's so pretty. I like the combination of yellow and silver. So pretty. I really love sweaters and jackets. But this one, I'm not sure if it looks good on me. I think it's a little bit unproportionate. The sleeves are just way too long. And I don't feel like rolling the sleeves. It's just not gonna look so nice anymore. Yeah, I don't think it suits me. That's a shame. Moving on to the top. This top is so huge. I think if you were in the same room with me, you would be like, this is so huge on me. You can fit 2 people in this top. It's really big. I think I need a size 34 and this is a size 38. My size is sold out, and I think if I had it in my size, it would actually look quite nice with the jeans and high heels. I do like this type of style quite a lot. I think if I were to change one thing about it, I would make this in one, let's say maybe gray color. I would not use that many logos, just like on this dress. It's beautiful, the designs are gorgeous. If it was in a gray color or any other color just without the logos, it would make a perfect dress and a top. I know that I wouldn't be able to wear it to certain places. This would totally make the cost per wear a lot higher because I wouldn't wear it very often. The length is really good, and I have to say that the quality is really good. The material is quite thick and the cutting is pretty flattering. I do like it quite a lot. What do you guys think about it? Would you wear it? And would you feel comfortable wearing it? Moving on to this dress. I really like it. It's so cute. And I'm not gonna wear it with a shirt. The only thing is it's a little bit too big. It's a bit too wide. I think I would have to alter it by quite a lot. You can see it would make a huge difference, and LV can actually alter clothes for you. It would just take some time. You can see how much I could reduce. This is a lot. Yeah, definitely could resize it. I think I could even make it longer to make it a little bit more appropriate for more places. I like my dresses a bit longer. I just feel more comfortable. Yeah. Do you guys like this dress? I think this one is a little bit more my style. It's more discreet. There is no flashy logos, and I can definitely wear it more often. Simple black dress with leather details. It's so my style. I really like it. And I know that it will not go out of style. I can wear it for years. please let me know which item did you like the most, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!